Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Service Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to make red leaf lettuce with strawberry salad. Before you start cooking, you want to make sure you wash your hands and your work area. I've just done that, so I'm ready to get started. With this salad, we're going to make our own dressing. That includes 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. We're going to pour all of these ingredients into a container with a tight fitting lid, either a jar or a plastic container. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I had apple cider vinegar, but you could use whatever vinegar you have. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 teaspoon of mustard, and I had a spicy brown mustard. But again, you could use whatever you have in your fridge. 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now, I am just gonna snap my lid on and start shaking. And this would be a great job for the kids to do. So shake that all up. You wanna join the vinegar and the oil together. And then I'm gonna pop this in the fridge while I put together the rest of the ingredients. Okay, now for our lettuce. I have rinsed our lettuce really well under running water and dried it, so it's ready to go in our bowl. 4 cups. I had a little trouble finding red leaf lettuce, so I did a mix with some spinach, which is also great with strawberries, kale, really great with strawberry salad as well. So whatever you can find. Then our strawberries, I rinsed really well under running water and then cut off the green tops and quartered them. And they're ready to go too. So I'm just going to pop those on top of our greens and then lightly toss this. I love to use tongs for this so it won't squish anything too much. And now I'm going to get our dressing out of the refrigerator. Give it one last little shake. And I'm gonna drizzle it on top of our salad. Got some left over. Get my tongs out again. Give it another little toss. And it's ready to enjoy. I've had strawberry salad with a grilled chicken breast cut up on top, and it is delicious. I'm gonna give this a try. Everything's nice and coated. That is really good. The dressing is sweet and salty. Has a little hint of cinnamon that's really good with the strawberries. What a delicious summer salad. I hope you enjoy it too. Thanks so much for watching.